Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you on how to put text behind videos, picture, or effects using your phone, step by step. So first, we need to download this Capcut in our Play Store. Tap that one. Tap New Project. Tap Stock Videos. Tap this plain one, black. Tap Add. And tap this text. Tap Add Text. Then type. So I will type my channel name, Lori RN. Then here you can choose effects. If you want color. If you don't want, you just tap this one. Tap. Then you can choose style. Here. Then tap this animation. Then it's up to you. You can put this in and out. I will just put this in. Then here you can choose. We'll just tap this faded wipe. Then you can tap this one, how long it will run. So we'll tap that one. Then if it's okay, just tap this check. Then you can make it big. It's up to you where you like to put also. Then let's play. Then here, as you can see, there is a ending Capcut, the watermark. So we'll remove that one first. So tap this one, the ending. Tap. Then tap this delete. Now let's play. So after that, tap this export. Tap. Then tap export. Now it's exporting. Then tap done. Now go back to new project. Tap new project. Then choose in your gallery, video or photo. Then tap add. Then go to format. Tap this format. Tap 16:9 for YouTube. Then you can adjust this. Then we will remove again this ending. Then tap this overlay. Tap add overlay. Then choose in your gallery the one we just made with text. Tap add. Now we will copy this. This one also. Copy. Now we will adjust this. Then tap this splice. Then here there is normal, darken, filter, overlay, slide, lighten, hard, soft, burn. So it's up to you guys. So I will choose here this overlay. Check. Now let's play. Now let me show you on how to use this mask. Tap this mask. Split like that. Foam strip. Circle. So you can make it big. Rectangle. Heart. Star. If we tap this invert like that, it will change. And tap check. Now let me show you how to use this keyframe, this one. So we will just split here. Tap this keyframe. Other one also. Here, as you can see, this red one. We will drag here. Then let's play. So like that. You can drag also this one here. That. Then let's play. Now let me show you another one. we'll just make it big. Then tap again this splice, tap overlay, then check, then copy, then put this one under or below the other one, tap the above, then tap this mask, tap split, then tap check, tap the below one, tap again this mask, tap split, then tap this invert, tap check, tap this animation, tap out, then if it's down, tap this slide down, then tap this duration until when you like, tap check, then the upper one, tap again out, tap slide up, tap duration, tap check. Now let's play. Now let's add audio. Tap this add audio, tap sound, then choose sample this, tap this plus sign, then play. We're done, guys. If you learned something, please give it a like, share, comment down below, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. God bless us all. Bye!